Welcome back to Tida TV. Today we will draw and color Pomni in the amazing digital circus. If you want me to draw about any characters or topics, please comment below this video. I will read and consider your comments for making the next videos. During the drawing process, if you can't keep up, you can pause the video or slow down the video speed in the video settings. This will make it more convenient for you to draw. One more thing, don't forget to support me by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and hitting the notification bell. Now let's get started. Please take a minute to subscribe to the channel to help me reach 10,000 subscribers soon. Thank you very much. please comment on the character you love. Maybe that character will be the theme of the next video. Once again, I am Tida TV. If you find this video useful, please support me by liking the video and subscribing to the channel to follow videos drawing famous characters. Now goodbye and see you in the next videos.